Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज की वीडियो में we're going to discuss the Turkish visit visa application process. Turkey is one of the most sought after destinations, especially amongst Pakistanis. The application process itself is fairly simple. They just require a lot of detailed documentation, and that is one reason why most people face rejection. So Turkey आपको visit visa issue करता है for four main purposes. Number one is for tourism, number two is for business, number three is for family visits, and number four is to attend conferences or events. So to apply for the visit visa itself, you would need a valid passport. The validity should be at least 6 months. You would also need two biometric photos as per the Turkish guidelines. You would require a bank statement of at least last 6 months, maintaining a balance of at least 500,000 rupees. You would also require an account maintenance certificate. Both the account maintenance certificate and the bank statement needs to be signed and stamped. If you have a job, you need to attach a job letter, NOC from your employer that they are allowing you to go out of Pakistan for a visit. You would also need to submit your last 6 salary slips. And if you are a business owner, you would need to attach things like, your Chamber of Commerce letter, your business registration letter, your business account statements. So anything and everything which basically attaches you to the business itself. You would also need to attach, your hotel reservation, your flight reservation, your travel insurance, your FRC, your ID cards, your property documents, basically every and anything which proves your ties to Pakistan itself. Most important document during the Turkish application is going to be your cover letter. So on the cover letter, you need to explain why you want to visit Turkey, where you're going to stay, what places are you going to see. You would also mention what do you do, how long do you intend to visit for, how much money you make, what other countries have you been to, and what other valid visas do you hold. Once all your documents are ready, आप लोगों ने अपना application form fill out करना है online. You're going to take all your documents to the Anatolia Service Center. You're going to submit your visa application. You're going to give your biometrics at the visa center as well, and then you're going to wait for 7 to 20-25 days for a decision, and you'll finally be able to pick up your passport, and hopefully you will get the visa itself. So let's talk about some of the most common reasons for rejection. Number one is going to be a weak bank statement. So, a weak bank statement is a statement which does not have a maintained balance in it. So let's say you have only 50,000 rupees maintained, even though the inflow is a lot. The inflow is 500,000 rupees every month, but you're only saving like 10-15,000 per month. So that is a weak statement in their head. So they look at what's coming into your account, how much you're saving, and how much you're maintaining. All three of these things basically matter when it comes to the bank statement itself. Number two is the applicant not having any travel history. So it is always good to have some sort of travel history before applying to Turkey as well. No strong ties to your home country. That means you do not have any property, you do not have a job, you do not have a business, you are not leaving any family behind in Pakistan. So uh, you know, if you don't have anything to come back to, you are a flight risk. Number four is going to be fake hotel or flight bookings. So make sure the bookings that you're providing with your application are actually valid and they stay valid during the application process itself. And last but not least, in any sort of incomplete documentation is going to result in a rejection. So I'm going to give you guys some tips to increase your chances of getting the Turkish visa. Number one is obviously going to add your employer leave letter, which I previously mentioned as the NOC. Show previous travel history. If you don't have travel history, go to some countries where they do not require you to have a visit visa, or they give visa on arrival. Travel there first and then apply for the Turkish visa. Number three is going to be, for you to mention realistic travel itinerary. Last but not least, keep financial statements clean and steady. As I mentioned before, they look at inflow, outflow, and the balance. Turkish visa is usually one of the easiest visas a Pakistani can get, especially these days, but only if your documents are strong. Like this video, share it, and subscribe for more country specific visa guides. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right.